Good morning, Year 4. For today's lesson, we're going to be carrying on with looking at measuring, and we're going to need our ruler again today because we're going to measure accurately the width and the lengths of these chocolate bars. Okay, so we need to use our ruler really carefully. Now, you might remember yesterday I spoke about making sure that we start at the zero, not starting at the very, very edge of our ruler when we're measuring these. So let's have a look at A. I'm only going to do the first one with you because I want you to have a go at these on your own today. So notice how I'm going to measure the length first. So I'm going to measure along the bottom and I'm going to line my ruler up on the zero and I'm going to count across. So I've got 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres and 4. Notice how the chocolate bar finishes on the 4. So the length is 4 centimetres. Then I'm going to do the width. Now I could do that and try and read it, but I'm actually just going to twist the sheet round, and you could do this as well, so that I'm reading it the right way up. Notice again how my ruler is on the zero. Now let's count along. I've got 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres. If you're struggling to read that, twist it around this way. Move your sheet along, practice, see what works best for you. 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres. Yep, that's definitely right. So my length is 4 centimetres and my width is 2 centimetres. So my tip to you today is make sure you use that ruler really carefully. Make sure you start along the zero and take your time counting. If you need to check it again, that's absolutely fine. Before this video ends, let's just have a quick look at the challenge. So it says, Tamil says that chocolate bar B, so this one here, is half the length of E. Is he correct? So he's saying that B is half of this size. So when you have a look at this question, it might be a good idea to count how many squares of chocolate there are and then cross them off on chocolate bar E, and then you can see if it's the same size, if that is half. Have a look at that really carefully. Is that the same as a half? If you need any help with this today, please send us an email or contact us on Teams.